Welcome back on my channel, mga amigas and amigas. So right now, I'm going to make, guess what? It's dinding. So, later I'm going, to fry this as a toppings for these veggies. I'm gonna show it to you later once it's done. Oh, by the way, I forgot, the squash. It's inside of my wrap. So let's slice the different veggies. We have sweet potato. We have eggplant. And so on and so on and so on and so on. There you go. I cut it all. So this one, I'm gonna slice this lastly, because once I slice this, it's easily to change the color. I don't know, for some reasons. Well, here it is, guys. Look at that. It's in half cook. So here's the last part for my viand for this evening. See, a couple of minutes, it's done. There. Okay. So look at that. See? Where's the fish? Here's the fish. There. All leaves are cooked. Let's eat, mga amigas and amigas. Thanks for watching my bulanglang. Bye. Here's our plating. So yummy. Yum, yum, yum.
Nagkakamay lang ako.
I-verdict mo na, madam.
Nagkakamay lang ako.
Kamay ka lang. Sige, it's up to you.
Pero sige, pwede ko na rin anuhin pala.
You should verdict, that one.
Ito pala yung bulanglang. First time ko lang makatikim ng bulanglang. Naririnig ko lang to eh. Ang sarap. Ito nga yung mo. Dahon.
Let's eat, mga amigas. Thank you for watching,
Sarap.
Thanks.
na,
Thanks, God. Kain ng kain, ha.
Salamat.
You're welcome. Salamat kay Papa God, Sam.
Thank you, Lord.
Ang ganda ng pagkain. Blessing.
Sorry.